Hi, I am Nives from the Garda mounted unit, and this is Fiacre. Fiacre is almost the same weight as a small car. Colliding with him on the road would cause serious injury to him, his rider, the driver and any passengers. Even the most experienced and well-trained horse can get a fright from a passing car. So it is important that if you meet a horse and rider on the road, that you take care and follow these steps. Be patient. Slow down immediately to a walking pace. Keep a safe distance between your vehicle and the horse and obey any signal that the horse rider provides. They may be aware of a potential hazard which you cannot see or hear. Keep a noise to a minimum. Avoid over-revving your engine or sounding your horn. And when overtaking a horse and rider, do not drive up too close behind the horse and ensure to leave at least a car's width between your vehicle and the horse when passing. When you have passed the horse, drive away slowly. By following these simple steps, you can keep yourself, your car, the horse, and people around you safe. For more information on horse road safety, visit rsa.ie to download our booklet on horse road safety.